talaga ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Tama ka dyan, KK. Tonight, we've witnessed well-deserved wins from distinguished members of the industry.
Indeed, Enchong, and we continue to honor these brilliant artists as we present the awards in our next batch of categories.
Sino kaya ang mapapabilang sa prestigious roster ng acting awardees and best directors?
Uumpisahan na natin yan sa Best Actress. To present the award, please welcome awarded actress and MMFF Exicom member, Miss Boots Anson Roa Rodrigo.
Together with the MMFF Board of Juror and Summer MMFF Best Actress, Miss Gladys Reyes.
Magandang gabi po muli. Ang mga pelikula ngayong taon ay talaga naman pong